So we're gonna attempt to make shrimp. We put it on the skillet. We just added 3 garlics and some butter. So then we're cooking chicken tenders too at the same time, because we're gonna make it like almost Olive Garden, like when you have like chicken tenders with shrimp. So I sauteed the shrimp with a little bit of a teaspoon of butter, and then I threw 3 garlics in the skillet. So now we're gonna put here, there's all our shrimp. So we cooked all the shrimp now. So now we're gonna move forward our tenders, our chicken tenders. So we're cooking them. In the skillet, we just added garlic. We added three cloves of garlic on the skillet, and then we put butter. I sprayed it with a non-stick spray, so this is what we're getting. But it smells delicious. And then we're making the spaghetti. So we just put to boil the water, and now we're throwing like a handful of spaghetti. Half of the pack. I'm not using the whole pack, just half of it, because we don't want it to be like a lot of spaghetti. Just enough to eat our shrimp and our chicken. So see here, we're gonna put more chicken back there. But before that, I'm gonna put some butter. So we're gonna put butter. Melt it a little bit, just a little bit. And then we're gonna put chicken tenders in there. So this is me attempting to make that chicken with shrimp and spaghetti. And once I put my chicken in the skillet, I throw a little bit of salt and a little bit of chicken seasoning that I have. And that's it. We're almost done with our, see, we're grilling our chicken tenders. I think this ones are almost done. We're going with the second. And they look delicious. Smells delicious. So it's butter, you know, I put a little bit of butter on the skillet. And then I diced 3 garlics and I threw them in there. And this is what I have. So we've done our shrimp already, the whole pack. So I got my shrimp from Costco. You could buy it anywhere. I just used 1 pack of shrimp. It's 2 pounds of shrimp. And then we got chicken tenders from the store. Our pack of chicken tenders was so it was 3 pounds of chicken tenders. So we have 3 pounds of chicken tenders. So these ones are done. So we're going to attempt to make it look like at the restaurant when you get the chicken and the shrimp, the pasta. These ones are done. I'm just waiting for the ones in the back. Cook them slowly. Once they've been cooked for a little bit in the back, I do 3 minutes on each side, and then I bring it to the front so I could just brown a little bit more. Because the fire from my skillet is higher in the front than in the back. So now I'm going to lower it. So I had it at number 5, now I'm going to lower it to number 2. So we're almost done. So I had no idea what to do for dinner today, and then suddenly I went into the freezer and I said, oh, I have shrimp and I have chicken tenders, so what do I do? And then I'm like, okay, I have spaghetti, so there we go. Something easy, something fast. So these chicken tenders are done. Just letting them brown a little bit to get that That's real flavor. And we threw salt on them and a spice that I buy. It's called Smoky House Maple for chicken. That's what I put on the chicken. Gives it a smoky flavor. See, this ones are done, so we're gonna take them out. And there you go. And we're gonna brown this one up. Now once we're done cooking everything, we're gonna put it together once our spaghetti is done. See, here we go. We have our chicken tenders, and our shrimp. So we put butter, and we put a little bit of salt, butter, pepper, and a little bit of, I just squeezed half of probably six, I squirted a lemon, so 6 drops of lemon in it, in the shrimp. It looks delicious. It smells fantastic. How do you want it? Delicious. You see? We're almost done with our dinner. And now we just gotta wait for our spaghetti to be done. It's almost done. Once it's done, we're going to take the water out and put a little bit of butter, and we're going to put the chicken tenders and the shrimp, and then we're going to add a little bit of butter, and then add some cheese and a little bit of seasoning to it, and we'll come back for our final plate. So I was going to my pantry and look what I found. I found some Alfredo sauce mix. So we're gonna add that to our spaghetti with shrimp and chicken tenders, and we'll see how that comes out. So here we go. We added 1 cup and 1/4 of milk into our pan, and now we're gonna whisk it around with 1/4 piece of butter, and now we're gonna whisk it around. And in the direction it says to add the pack of the powder for the Alfredo sauce. So we're gonna add the pack, and we're gonna whisk it around. And we're going to keep on mixing it until it starts to get warm and it's going to get thicker. You see? It's looking delicious. So now we're going to add our shrimp. And our chicken. See, this is all our chicken tenders. It's gonna be delicious. Nice and creamy. One more ingredient, our spaghetti. See, we drain our spaghetti, and we're going to add it to it. Mexico, we attempted to make like at the restaurant. I know it's not gonna taste the same because at the restaurant they add more stuff to it, but don't be afraid of making it yourself. Something similar to what you buy at the store. Not at the store, at the restaurant. See? It's delicious. See, this is what I made. This is how it came out. So, here we go. I'm gonna taste it. Wow. Tastes delicious. Mmm. The chicken has that smoky flavor that we added with the seasoning that we added to it. It tastes amazing because we grilled it. And now we get a piece of chicken and a piece of shrimp, and we're gonna eat that too. Delicious. And that's just an idea. I had no idea what I was gonna cook today, but I looked into the freezer and I'm like, okay, I have chicken tenders, I have shrimp, and suddenly I'm like, okay, I can make something of this. And I'm like, I have spaghetti, so there you go. And I was just gonna add butter, and then after it was done in the spaghetti, I was just gonna add butter and add some tomato sauce and add a little bit of cheese. I had any kind of melted cheese I was gonna add to it, but then I looked in my pantry and I found the Alfredo sauce package. So I'm like, okay, we can make Alfredo sauce with our spaghetti and shrimp and grilled chicken tenders, and it's amazing. So this is something that I just made up, but similar to what we buy at a restaurant that we go to. It's delicious. Not it doesn't taste the same, but you could do anything if you just put your mind to it. And this is my put together recipe of shrimp, pasta, and chicken tenders. Delicious. Thank you for coming to my channel. Any comments? I welcome your comments. Thank you.